Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to use Afterpay on Amazon. If you're using a desktop or laptop, you will be redirected to the Afterpay website. If you're using a mobile device, you may be directed to the Afterpay app if you have it installed. If not, you will be prompted to download and install the Afterpay app. So first of all, log in to your Afterpay account using your registered email address and password. Review the order details, including the total amount, number of installments, and payment schedule. Ensure that your shipping address and payment details are accurate and up to date. If needed, make any necessary changes at this stage. Then select your preferred payment method to complete the transaction. Afterpay accepts debit cards and bank account payments. Enter the required payment information, such as your card details or bank account information. Review the entered information for accuracy, then proceed to authorize the payment. Once the payment is authorized, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your payment has been successful. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.